When you open the resume builder from the dashboard, you'll see a chat screen. It looks and feels like a messaging app. The app's questions appear on the left side as dark bubbles. Your answers appear on the right side as white bubbles with a border. At the bottom of the screen, there's an input bar where you type your answers. On the right side of the input bar, you'll find a send button, and on the left, there's a plus button, but more on that in a moment. The flow is simple. The app asks a question, you type your answer, you tap send, and the next question appears. One question at a time, nice and easy. Every question has a small play button at the bottom right corner of the bubble. Tap it, and the question is read aloud to you. The audio plays in your selected app language, so if you've set the app to Arabic, you'll hear the question in Arabic. If your language doesn't have a recorded audio version, it falls back to English. To answer a question, tap the input field at the bottom, type your response, and hit the send button. Your answer appears as a white bubble on the right. If a question doesn't apply to you, you can skip it. Just tap send without typing anything. The app will note that you skipped it and move on to the next question. Now let's talk about the plus button on the left side of the input bar. This is your toolbox. Tap it and a small menu opens with several helpful tools. First, speech input. Tap the microphone icon and a dialog asks you to select the language you want to speak in. Choose your language, then start talking. The app listens, recognizes your speech, and, here's the key part, automatically translates what you said into German. The German text then appears in the input field, ready for you to review and send. Second, the translation helper. Tap the translate icon and a dialog opens. Select the language you want to type in. There are 15 languages available, including Arabic, Turkish, Russian, Farsi, French, and more. Type your text in your language, tap Translate and Insert, and the app translates it into German and places the result in the input field. You can review it before sending. Third, the bookmark icon. This lets you save a copy of your entire chat conversation to the app's memory section, useful if you want to keep a record of your answers. Fourth, the delete icon. This lets you clear the entire chat and start over. Before deleting, the app gives you the option to save a copy first so nothing is lost unless you choose to delete it. Now let's go through the questions the app will ask you. They're organized into clear sections. Personal information. The app starts by asking for your basic details, your full name, your address, your phone number, your email address, your date of birth, and your place of birth. These are straightforward text answers. Use the available tools to enter your personal data. Made a mistake? No problem. You can tap on any of your white answer bubbles to edit it. A small dialog opens with your previous answer. Change what you need, confirm, and the app updates your resume data immediately. You don't have to start over. Next, the app asks, have you worked before? This is a yes or no question. You'll see a green yes button and a red no button. If you tap yes, the app asks about your job title, the company you worked for, and how long you worked there, for example, 2018 to 2022. After that, it asks, did you have another job? If yes, you can add as many jobs as you need. If no, the app moves on. If you've never worked, simply tap no at the first question, and the entire work section is skipped. During the chat, you will encounter further questions about your education, the school you attended, and your individual skills and experience. To shorten this tutorial video, these questions will be skipped without being answered. After the last text question, the app asks if you have a suitable photo for your resume. If you tap yes, the input bar changes and shows an Upload Image button. Tap it, select a photo from your device, and it's added to your resume. Once all questions are answered, the input bar changes again. You'll now see a Download Resume button. Tap it and a design selection screen appears. You can choose from 3 professional PDF layouts. Original, a modern 2-column design with a colored sidebar, your photo displayed in a circle, and a clean, structured layout. Classic, a traditional, minimal design. Clean lines, clear headings, a very readable format that's widely accepted by German employers. Design, a contemporary layout with a timeline-style structure and refined typography. After the PDF has been downloaded, a second button appears, Send CV via email. Tap it, and the app shows you a brief instruction. You'll need to attach the PDF file manually in your email app. Once you tap Understood, your default email app opens with a pre-written German message, a polite cover note saying you're sending your resume. All you need to do is enter the recipient's email address, attach the PDF file, and hit Send. One more thing, your progress is automatically saved. If you close the browser or refresh the page, your entire chat history and all your answers are still there when you come back. You can pick up exactly where you left off. That's the Resume Builder, a simple conversation that turns into your professional, ready-to-send German resume.